Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Sorry about the audio yesterday. I tried to figure out what was going on with it, and to be fair, your guess is as good as mine. It worked fine on your smart TV or your computer, but on your actual phone, no go. Very strange, but seemed to fix itself. I didn't do anything to fix it. Seemed to fix itself, and thank God. I already started to upload it again to try to maybe redo it, but seemed to kind of iron its way out. But empty trailer, see what we can do. We picked up 2 tires, may put one in the back of the truck, and then because you're allowed 1 rim and tire per load, so might as well get them if we can. Got us a chair, got us a ouchie stick. Man, can you imagine it falling into that? I mean, I have. When I was a little bit younger, it was not the funnest time, playing around, doing things. It is a metal chair, so that's a thing. That's a briar bush. And I thought about, being that we had no sound, just titling the video differently, ASMR, but yeah, I don't think that really fits the bill for us. Give it a shot though, right? We are getting a little bit more daylight out here, but we got us a grill. Well, pieces of grills that makes a whole grill. Should be it's definitely seen a little bit better days. You know, as thin as this metal is in these things, for real, like I don't expect a grill to last more than like a year or 2. Like, even if you buy like one of the better ones. Now, if you actually want one to last, go find your local weld shop. They'll hook you up, for real. They'll make you one that will go a little bit longer than expectations. Somebody said you can use those, what were those fuel tanks off of big rigs. I mean, there's probably 100 different ways to make a really good fuel tank. Fuel tank, real good grill. But then we won't get as many, right? I did see a little pot thingamajiggy. We don't want that. We'll take that. That's aluminum. Star aluminum dealio again. I think I got my cutters on me. I do. Okay. I got a set of my cutters. Alright. Starting to get daylight. Then they'll start to heat up. It's probably, I think it's sitting at like 70 already. So things about getting out this early is you don't got a lot of traffic to really stress about. Just do your thing, grab your stuff, and go about your business. We got a grill right there. I'll be right back. Like I said, right back. Oh, take a look at her. She's a big one. There she is, a big one. Alright. They went to the Blackstone 36-inch griddle. I see a lot of those here recently. Apparently they're okay. Well, there she is. First larger item of the day. All metal, stainless handles. I'll pull them real quick. Okay. Anything else? We know there's not in there, right? Yeah. Ooh, those are nice. I like these boxes actually. Boxes. I'll take those. Got any more boxes? Now I want to look in these to make sure that these boxes aren't all in here. No. Pollen is next level right now. Well, we got some boxes out of it. We got a grill. I may get the drill and zip those out real quick. Where'd you come off of? Don't know. It won't take but a second. I think we got enough daylight. We don't need the flashlight no more. So I've seen a printer. My yard takes printers. Does your yard take printers? I did get the handles off of that. Try to consolidate a little bit. It's not really a ton to consolidate. Being that we're getting kind of some bigger items like off the start today, I'm kind of wanting to go ahead and get it to that point before we find a refrigerator or another stove or washer dryer or Bigfoot. You know, just come on. We trying to head that off before we get there. So now if that's calling the whole grill thing, you know, I don't know what it is. You know, it's just I really wasn't expecting it that quick. Good thing about grills are they kind of just roll. This one's heavier, or at least close to the same weight as the one we got earlier, so nice addition. And I'll test the handles on this one as well. So it looks stainless, to be honest with you. All right. Give her a check. That's a big no. Well, we got another grill. The day of the grills, I guess. I mean, we got 5 that one day. It's on that way. Probably one of those clothing racks. It's the best thing I can come up with on this thing. They, you can buy them from Wally World or wherever, and they are not great. You best save your money and spending it on something that actually will hold up something. But it's worth a grab. Take it and get it and grab it and go type deal. Leo. That was not as planned. I was hoping those would have came off, because I was just sliding them down in here like this. Yeah, nice, neat. But no, it wanted to be kind of complicated. If these move around too much, I'm going to put a strap on them, so save a little of the headache. But I want to kind of have a little place so I can kind of pile stuff behind it, like taller things. Goals. We got us one of the swinging chairs. Got a power cord to something. What are you two? Piece of something or another. We'll worry about that in a second. Let's get this handled first. I had a friend tell me the best way to deal with stuff like this is try to put them over the grill first. So that's what we're going to try to do. And success. Minus the 2 dangly bits here. Dangly bit 1. Dangly bit 2. Alright, now what's got me here? Maybe this dangly bit needs to go out that way. Success. This dangly bit's coming off. Sooner or later it's coming off. And I'll grab the cord in a minute when I go back to the truck. Alright. We got it. Minus this dangly bit. Hold on. See if we can do it. Ah, success. Alright. Look, now you need to be in here. That's your home, okay? Alright. That's a fan. The heat index today is supposed to be a little bit cooler. Yesterday we did hit 108. We did not hit the 110 like they predicted, but I'm okay with it not hitting predictions, you know. So today I don't know. I get depressed when it starts to get this hot, as far as like going out, just taking a deep breath and instant sweat, you know. But it's more the humidity, I guess they say, but I don't know, 100 degrees is 100 degrees. It don't really matter how humid it is. Sorry for y'all's head. It don't really matter how hot it is with the humidities up there like that, so. So I see the metal thing teasing me, but I think I see an aluminum pot in here too, or pan. Negative. That was a wrong assumption. There's metal in here though. That's plastic. You gotta take some stuff out and get to the goodies. The goodies obtained. Well, almost all the goodies. Why are you being so complicated today? Alright. Something in the eyeball, it's fine. It's fine. A little water, wash it out. It'll be good. Alright. Well, I mean, we'll make room for things, right? No, it's getting to be something, but there's other things here that I've seen that were intriguing, to say the least. There's something up under here, I think. No, that's just seats. The step bars, we like those. The grill, I mean, we like the grill. It's a small one. Yeah, it's a small one. All right, it's a light one. I wonder what those step bars came off of. There's a cord to something right there too. I have to trace it down. So one of the tires can go in the back of the truck. And we can put something in the back of the truck too, so that's not outside of the realm of possibilities, if you will. Hey, don't touch me that way. Oh, okay. It fits. We succeeded in that category of the fitting part. All right, time for the boat seats to something. Oh, they're the big ones too. They're rusted out. It's a shame. Oh, there's a tire down there. Who put that there? I'm just playing, I did. So these are rusted out pretty good. Just listen. I don't know. There's one thing for sure. This is the metal variety, at least. Big country. I think I seen the bracket to them. Possibly. Yeah. That's something else I may give a go to try to see if we could. See if somebody needs it, wants it, wants to pay a little money for it. Even though they're rusted, maybe a off-road truck. There is a good bit of that around here. Got some more metal here. That right there is going to be intriguing. I don't know if I can get the glass out, I'll take it. If not, then that's just gonna have to be what it is, and that's here. I might put the step bars in the back and pick up here in a minute. Another grill. Stainless steel tumbler. Some aluminum. We got this. So this is no, I'm gonna leave it. It's just not gonna be for me. Maybe somebody will come through and get a use out of it. Maybe somebody come through that can get the glass or something, but no. And another grill. All right. Radio flyer. Fits. Yeah, well, I was gonna say we had one of them vroom vroom things, but we got pieces of one. We'll take the tires, I guess. They're metal. It's just, I was looking for a battery, to be honest with you. Not quite a battery in that one. A vacuum. Yahtzee. We like the digs. Yeah, that's very loose. We got one of those cordless Ryobi 18-volt lithium thingamajiggies. Go that way. This comes out then. No, you stay right here. Ba, ba. Oh. I think I said I was gonna pull them off. Still haven't done it. Probably will in a second or a minute. Maybe next stop. We're parked on the wrong side of the road, but they park on the wrong side of the road, so we should be okay. They live here. I don't though. That's the difference, maybe. But we got some stuff we want to try to take with us. Ouch. There's something metal in there too. It's on a roll cart. Schnazzy. Ooh. See, like I knew it was gonna be a decent stock, but that right there is we'll take that. Rollerblades, some metal, ceramic. We don't want that where we're going, that breaks. Empty can. We'll move some stuff over here. Try to move some stuff over here. Go and take our water hose bin that's right here in front of us. Anyone else having a problem with pollen right now too? Like, pollen is whooping my butt. This wire, piece of metal. I want to get down here. I think we got a little bit more goodies down here than, well, we got exhaust parts. That's always an interesting thing to see. I think that's the owner. Shh. Get some more time. Take a pump. Load's becoming a thing. Some more wire, more exhaust parts. Where the good stuff at? Catalytic converter. Oh, that's wire. That's decent stuff. Making a mess here. I don't like it. Oh, what's the deal with the Christmas lights lately? They're everywhere. They keep coming. All right. That's good enough. Let's clean up our mess because we made one to mate. Is this wire too? No, that's just hose. Christmas lights. Christmas lights everywhere. Come on. Come with me. For a new person, Christmas lights in my yard's 5 cents a pound. scrap metal in my yard is $8.50. So which one do I prefer making? The $8.50. So yeah. All right. That hurt. Poke me in the side. I'm gonna spend some time, get this cleaned up. I'll bring it back and let y'all see the end result. Compact claw comes in and goes. And some chairs. I would say we're running out of room. We're kind of running out of room. Sorry about that. Like I said, Pollen and me just don't get along half the time. I take Zyrtec for those that care. My daughter also has the look at the eggs in there. Make sure I don't grab nowhere I don't need to be grabbing right now. Okay. The fold up kind's a little bit better, I guess. Just a smidge better. Still looks like there's a million spider babies in there. Do I got room here? Oh, all kinds of room on that side. Got us a fan, got us some stuff for a grill. Nothing in the trash in my can. I seen a Duralast box over here, so I was just kind of seeing if maybe something was laying around on that. That fan looks snazzy. We're gonna see if that, oh, it's broke. Never mind. We have changed thoughts. It looks clean. It is clean. It probably actually does turn on, but the fan's broke, like the blade in it. Doesn't do us no good. Look, even those turn out. Man, fancy stuff here. Uh-oh. 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 All right, this one go on this side now. Got us a coffee pot. Yep. Yep. Citronella candle thingy-majiggies. Right there. I mean, I could have put them there, I guess. So it's bite fire. Yes, citronella. I was right. I think we're getting a load, yeah? Somebody burnt the handle. Empty bin. All right. Load is definitely getting somewhere. Don't hit your head. Gonna take a look. I did not bring my cutters. Be right back. Let's come over here and take a look. I did see the water hose things, so we'll take those for sure. And then we'll take a look around. Maybe there's a lot more out here somebody done got. I do got 2 scrappers in front of me currently. Good for them. More power to them. Hopefully find some good stuff. You know. And right now, because we got us a load. We could always put more on there. So I'm not gonna. Is that wire? No, it's not wire. What is it? Just a water hose. Old cell phone, we'll take that. Another old cell phone? No. If it was in good shape, I'd keep it. Take our nuggets. I went to grab it, and I'm like, where's my other end? I forgot I didn't cut it, so you know what I mean. We got it though. Got some more chairs. We man, I'm starting to like it. We're gonna start having a stack, of course, and we'll start strapping. So I did pick these up. I got a project. These are actually not in terrible shape. Yeah, they're a bit dirty on the backside, but I've got a my air conditioner unit, right, is in full sunlight all day long, and they had 3 of these panels. They're actually in good shape. It's painted white too. I'm thinking about building a frame, you know, leaving the front open, but putting like one of these on top or something. I don't know. If anyone has any experience of that, let me know. But that's kind of the plan, is kind of do 2 sides and then one on top, and just 2x4s just support it on the backside. What I'm trying to do is keep the sun off of it, you know, and for at least 50% of the day. So thoughts, concerns? I know, you know, the breathing thing, that's the reason I'm just thinking about running like 2 2x4s or 3 2x4s on the back side of it, using like this on the top, and then kind of bracing it all or whatever, and making it like a box. You know, I thought about maybe the wind. It's not going to hold water because it's got slits in it. So thoughts, concerns? That is long. I think we may strap this to the trailer. We got something right there too, it looks like. Cause it is, that's 12 foot. It's 12 foot long. It's not heavy. That's not gonna work, is it? Strap it, throw it right on top, run a strap across the top of it now, something like that maybe. Thoughts? Well, things are falling off. I guess I should take them off, really. I really should have. Pieces of plastic holding them. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna leave it because I don't want to leave it. Let's look through the pile one more time, be sure I'm not leaving nothing else. And we're not gonna do the for sale sign. Another piece of metal there. All right, I'm gonna strap that down, bend it up so that it'll stay. At some point, we're gonna have to do that anyway, right? We got about another, we got quite a few of the routes still to go, so I think we're gonna be good. There's no real way for it to move. It's gonna kind of hold the rest of the load down if I get something else on top. We'll use this as kind of like the point of strap, if you will, and yeah, we'll be able to get a little bit more on here. It's either aluminum or that's aluminum. That's light as that's light. What did you go to? Don't know. It kind of reminds me of a car shield, like up under a car. I don't know. Might have messed up. Turn on the air conditioner in the truck and it felt so good, and I'm like, you know something, but there's some metal here and we need this. We want this stuff, so we're gonna grab it. I'm gonna chop off the stuff real quick, make it quick, simple, painless. Now, and turn on the air conditioner. Man, does it feel good when it's cold. But we got metal to get. We're about to be finished with the route actually, so we don't have too much longer. And not a bad day though. And we'll take days like this, won't we? I'm estimating about 800 pounds, 900 pounds, somewhere around that range. Be nice to see 1,000, but you know, I don't think we hit that point yet. We're making our way to the yard at this point, so if we find something, we'll stop though, for sure. That is gonna wrap us up. We last stop with delays. It wasn't, like I said, it was on the way. We were taking the scenic route. This route don't run until like Thursday, to be fair, the one I'm on now. But if we're gonna go a route to the yard, we might as well go the scenic route, see if we can find something. You know, we found something, but digress on those small things, and see y'all in a minute. Well, we got weighed, we got paid. I got a coffee. He's looking up. We had 720 pounds. I do have the receipt. It's just I'm driving for a grand total of $61.20. Not bad. Breakfast cost me $25. I got me and my wife a coffee, just a mocha frappe. It's hot enough to enjoy cold coffee. So, but no, not too bad really. I mean, $61 and be able to go out, have a little bit of fun, make a little bit of money, pay for the gas, pay for breakfast, and can't complain too much about that, can we? So, do have the step bars I got to figure out with. Don't forget, you know, leave your suggestions on the going around the air conditioner with the fencing stuff. I don't know if it's a good idea or not. I just seen them and said, hey, maybe. Wood's expensive. If you were to probably buy that wood, probably $100 at least, right? I haven't price quoted wood in forever, so I don't know. Other than that, maybe this video will have audio, which would be great, and then if it doesn't, then you can't hear me. That's great. But I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like, share, think about subscribing if you're not, and I'll see you on the next one, which will probably be tomorrow, early, 4:30 ish. So on that note, goodbye.